Hi, welcome to the Cold Ocean Deep Sea Research Facility. I'm Steve Hill, I'm the manager of this facility. The CDRF is the newest part of the OSC, and it's where we have some of our more advanced instruments. It's a shared facility, so all of the students and faculty can use the equipment here. And we're starting off in the histology lab. This is where we would prepare microscope slides from the fish tissues. Once you have a slide prepared, you can put it into this carrier. It gets put into this stainer, which will move it through a series of different alcohols and chemical stains that will add that color back in. Once that's done, you put a cover slip on and you're ready to take it over to microscopy. So now we're in our microscopy cell biology lab. That's where we have our analytical equipment. That includes scanning electron microscopes, which we use anytime we want to image something in super high magnification and resolution. So that can be different invertebrates or early life stages of animals, parasites, that sort of thing. Insects, they'll all come up here as these high resolution images. We have a slide scanner here, which allows us to load up with 100 different slides and digitally scan all of them so we can do our analyses on the computer screen instead of down the eyepiece. And we have a flow cytometer cell sorter, which is a device that's used to sort cells in a suspension like blood and to identify those cells as well as potentially sort them. So it's something we use a lot in immunological studies. Now we're in our containment zone. It's aquatic containment level 3, which is the highest that's possible for studying fish disease or other aquatic diseases. So we study a lot of diseases of aquaculture species like salmon, different bacterial and viral diseases. We have lab space like what we're in now, where we can do our bench work, biosafety cabinets in the corner where we can do our cultures and cell cultures. And this is joining our wet labs where we can actually do live disease challenge studies. What's very special about this facility is that when we're developing new vaccines or different types of feed that will help keep the fish healthy, we can actually test that out in live fish with fresh flowing water from our pipe outside. So we have a few wet labs like these where we can keep the animals. For instance, we have lumpfish in this tank here, which is a fish that is used with salmon to clean the sea lice off of the salmon. Now we're in the deep sea lab at the CDRF. The main feature here is these two pressure vessels that we can fill with water and pressurize to recreate the conditions of the deep sea. And these will recreate the same pressures you'd find 3,000 meters below sea level. So we use them on basic research of how animals have adapted to life in the deep sea, to things like studying deep sea oil spills and how oil degrades.